Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, bringing another unboxing video. Today, we have this little guy. This is the Litexim Bluetooth, obviously, wireless earbuds. So this is the first unboxing a manufacturer has actually asked me to go ahead and do. Good, bad, indifferent. I'm going to tell you guys what I think. Alright, here we go with the unboxing. Safety first. Safety. Put away the knife. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh. This is just foam. Oh, look at these. Look at this little guy. It's got a little phone on it. These feel really light. Ooh, so light you don't even know you're holding them. Looks like this is where one of them charges. Okay, little charger there. And the other one charge. So, because they're wireless, they charge independently of each other. All right. Nice design here. This goes in the ear. I wonder how good it stays. This is what we got in the box. 12 months extended warranty. It doesn't say limited. It says extended. Register. Okay, we got a little box, a warranty, another box, some cables. What'd they give us? Oh. This is some extra earbuds in case you like the more traditional in the ear look feel. Oh, look at this. It's two. This is interesting. You plug it in and it charges both your earbuds, so that way you only need this guy. All right, that's very specific, very unique. They know that we need it, and they gave it to us. Good job. Now, what I want to do is get these things paired up and hear how they sound. So to connect them, you press and hold both buttons at the same time. Both LED indicators flash red and blue, and they alternate. We've got red and blue. Oh, it's connecting. Oh, it's 70% battery. Put on some dance and electric to hear what it sounds like. Don't give me strikes, Google. I'm sorry. Those are garbage. I think when your manufacturer sends you something to unbox and review, you're supposed to give a good review. But I'm having a hard time here, guys. That was horrible. Don't buy it. Whatever you do, don't buy this. It's horrible. For the love of tech, don't buy this. Just don't buy it. I'm going to put a link in the description. If you want to buy it and give it away to somebody as a gag gift, I think it would be great. If you need a $30 Secret Santa gift, this is your $30 Secret Santa gift. I don't think they're going to be sending me. Anybody's going to say, hey, Aaron, will you review this? Because I'm going to tell you what I really think, and that was horrible. Horrible. For the love of tech, namaste. Oh, you thought we were done, but there's a giveaway, and with every giveaway, I'm given an opportunity to get some more entries. In this video right here, if you go to the Amazon link in the description and you click on it and you buy these, I will give you an additional 100 entries into my giveaway. I don't know if it's worth it. You're just flushing your money down the toilet. It's not a great product, but you'll get 100 entries to the giveaway. So there you go. If you want, you can do that. If you just give me a comment, Roman numerals 184, I will give you an additional entry into the upcoming giveaway on February 11th. What we have going on, a Nintendo Switch. Oh, that's happening. We have the Movado Connect. Oh, that's happening. And we have the Bose SoundLink. If I can hit 3,000 subscriptions on the channel, I'm going to do a OnePlus 5T. In order for this smartwatch to be included in the giveaway on February 11th, this unboxing video of the Louis smartwatch, link at the end of the video, has to reach at least 1,000 views. Thank you guys for all your help, all of your participation. I wish I was bringing some better news about these earbuds. They were not that great. I don't suggest anybody buys them for the sole purpose of gaining additional entries into the giveaway. For the love of tech, namaste.